All right, y'all, it's Old School Sunday. We about to be checking out the Cutlass Supreme. The Cutty. We gonna clean him up. Go ahead and check out these rims though, man. What y'all think about them rims? Look at those rims, man. What do you guys think about that? Huh? What do you guys think of those? Aren't those things beautiful? Yeah. We're gonna be cleaning her up, pulling the engine. I'm not sure what Franz want to do with it. Yeah, I think he just wants us to pull a motor out of it. Franz, what you plan on doing with this thing? A 383 with a turbo 400. Ooh. That's why he don't want that little man. He already got some dog shit in here already. It's already a beast in there. Ooh. I can't wait, Franz. A sleeping giant right here in the driveway. Dang, man, this thing is so clean, boy. Dang, boy, this thing is clean. Oh yeah, he popped it. Oh, we got a pleasant surprise for you guys. What a pleasant surprise. We got a treat for you guys. We're about to pop the hood on him. We're gonna pop the hood.
I might use that carburetor. That's what I'm gonna get that.
And the hood is popped. Yes. And this is a 350, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And what year is this Cutlass?
84.
84? 84 Cutty. Man. Looking nice, man.
You can bet on this down, bro.
Looking nice. All this harness coming out too, huh? Yeah.
Got new harness for it. All that back though, taking out.
I feel you.
Do AC.
Don't worry about it, bro. We gonna get this bitch straight up out of here, buddy. Don't worry about it. I don't know why Mikhail over here procrastinating.
Taking trips.
But don't worry. Dun, 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 dun. Big Mo's here. Oh, you got a nice little Matco Phillips up there. Yeah, this thing nice, man. Wow, look at this thing, bro. Wow. Edelbrock carburetor.
Mechanic fuel pump.
Ooh, mechanic fuel pump. Ooh. Nice valve cover gaskets, Edelbrock valve cover gaskets. I see that. Distributor cap back there, nice crispy. What's that? What is that? A cell distributor cap. Nice. This thing's nice, man. What's this? What's this here? Oh, for the headlights. Okay. Oh, the LED headlights? Oh, snap. I ain't peeped that. Oh, snap. Damn, I didn't peep that. I did not peep the LEDs in there. Yeah, that's glass too. Is this glass? Okay. That's glass right there. This thing is so crispy, man. I haven't seen a clean cutty like this since I don't think ever. Cause I'm from Michigan. All the ones I've seen be falling apart, beat up, boy. Even this part right here be fucked up. This front grill, this be busted. Look at this. Look how crispy this bitch is. Everything's intact, man. Everything's intact, dog. Wow. You even got your dang emblem on there. Wow. I love it, man. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna let you guys see the interior. Look at this, man. Look at these plush seats. The interior is beautiful. I love the interior on this thing. It's blue. Wow. It even got a beautiful old school smell in here. A little bit of rat poop on here. It'll be all right. Yes. Man, that smell in there bring back memories, dog. All right, guys, that pretty much concludes this video. We're gonna come back and end up cleaning that thing up real nice. Me and Mikhail, we're gonna pull that 350 out of there. Franz is being a real cool dude. He's gonna let us get that 350. We actually got another project for it. We're gonna end up throwing it into a 89 Caprice Broham, and we're gonna keep you guys posted on that. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys. Until next time, peace.